In today's video, I am going to be forging a kitchen Bowie knife, or a barbecue Bowie knife for a friend of mine. Basically, I'm going to be designing it exactly like how I would make a kitchen knife, but it would be a Bowie knife shape, so the way you can slice meat and do some lightweight bushcraft if you have to out in the woods. Take it camping, just a little bit of an everything knife, but it's going to be very thin like a kitchen knife. Y'all, I'm gonna have to change up my music preferences a bit. Some random Grinch down in the comments didn't like my medieval adventure music.
Bruh.
Bro, you do know that's discriminating against leprechauns, right? Ugh, all the stereotypes and negative energy in this world. I just can't handle it.